हे गाइस, वेलकम टू माय न्यू वीडियो। तो आज की वीडियो पे मैं मुसाशी मियामोटो का स्केच बनाने जा रहा हूँ, जो एक लेजेंडरी सामुराई था। तो यहाँ पे मैं आपको कुछ स्टोरी भी सुनाऊंगा और साथ साथ यहाँ पे ड्राइंग बनाऊंगा। तो आप मेरी ड्राइंग देखते जाना और स्टोरी भी सुनते जाना। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट।
Today, we delve into the remarkable life of Miyamoto Musashi, a legendary figure whose prowess as a swordsman and strategist has inspired countless generations. Musashi's life is a testament to the power of determination, adaptability, and unwavering resolve. Through his numerous duels and battles, he demonstrated not only unparalleled skill but also profound wisdom in facing his enemies. Let us explore the life of Miyamoto Musashi and the principles that guided him in his encounters with adversaries. The early years, a young warrior emerges. Miyamoto Musashi was born in 1584 in the Harima province of Japan. During a tumultuous period marked by constant warfare and social upheaval, his father, Musashi, was a skilled swordsman, and from an early age, Musashi was exposed to the art of combat. At just 13 years old, setting the stage for a life defined by martial excellence. The path of the Ronin, independence and mastery. Rejecting the traditional samurai path of serving a single lord, Musashi chose the life of a Ronin, a masterless samurai. This decision allowed him the freedom to travel, learn, and challenge himself against the best swordsmen of his time. Musashi's encounters were not merely about defeating his opponents, but about testing and refining his own skills. The duel with Sasaki Kojiro, a masterful strategy. One of Musashi's most famous duels was against Sasaki Kojiro, a formidable swordsman known for his Tsubengeshi, swallow reversal technique. The duel took place on the island of Ganryu. In 1612, Musashi arrived late, rowing to the island using a wooden oar which he later carved into a wooden sword. This unorthodox approach was part of his strategy to unsettle Kojiro. By disrupting his opponent's mental state, Musashi gained a crucial psychological advantage. In the ensuing fight, he used a wooden sword to strike Kojiro down, demonstrating that victory often comes through outthinking one's enemy. Adapting to every situation. The importance of flexibility. Musashi's fighting style was characterized by its adaptability. Unlike many swordsmen, who adhered rigidly to specific techniques, Musashi believed in being fluid and responsive to the situation at hand. This principle is vividly illustrated in his duel with the Yoshioka family. Facing multiple opponents, Musashi used guerrilla tactics, striking swiftly and retreating before the enemy could regroup. His ability to adapt his strategy to the circumstances was key to his success. The Nieten Ichiru, mastery of two swords. Musashi is renowned for developing the Nieten Ichiru, two heavens as one style, which involved wielding a katana and a wakizashi simultaneously. This approach provided both offensive and defensive capabilities, allowing Musashi to exploit the weaknesses of his opponents while protecting himself. The development of this style was a testament to his innovative spirit and his relentless pursuit of martial excellence. The importance of mental discipline. Musashi's victories were not solely the result of physical prowess. He understood the importance of mental discipline and clarity. In his later years, Musashi retreated to a cave, where he spent his time meditating and writing. It was during this period that he authored the Book of Five Rings, a treatise on strategy, tactics, and philosophy. In this work, he emphasized the importance of a calm and focused mind, which he believed was essential for success in any endeavor, not just combat. Facing fear, courage under fire. Throughout his life, Musashi faced numerous challenges and dangers, yet he consistently demonstrated an unwavering resolve and courage. Whether dueling with a single opponent or fighting in battles, he remained calm and focused. Musashi's ability to face fear head-on and maintain composure under pressure is a powerful lesson in courage and resilience. Learning from each encounter. Continuous improvement. Musashi viewed each duel and battle as an opportunity for learning and growth. He meticulously analyzed his encounters, seeking to understand his own strengths and weaknesses, as well as those of his opponents. This commitment to continuous improvement allowed him to refine his techniques and strategies over time, achieving unparalleled mastery. The legacy of Musashi. Beyond the sword, Musashi's influence extends far beyond his martial achievements. His writings, particularly the Book of Five Rings, have inspired not only martial artists, but also business leaders, strategists, and individuals seeking personal growth. His principles of discipline, adaptability, and continuous improvement are timeless lessons that resonate across all fields of endeavor. The timeless lessons of Miyamoto Musashi. In conclusion, the life of Miyamoto Musashi offers profound lessons in facing challenges and adversaries. His dedication to mastery, adaptability in the face of changing circumstances, strategic thinking, mental discipline, courage, and commitment to continuous improvement are principles that can guide us in our own lives. As we reflect on the legacy of Musashi, let us strive to embody these values and apply them to our personal and professional journeys. By doing so, we can navigate our own battles with greater wisdom, resilience, and success.
और ये रहा मुसाशी मियामोटो का फाइनल स्केच। उम्मीद है आपको ये ड्राइंग पसंद आई होगी। अगर आपको ये ड्राइंग पसंद आए तो वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना। बाय बाय।